$575,000. One tenant, an older lady with an attorney who took advantage. If you're a rent-controlled landlord, you cannot force a tenant to leave. You must have cause in order to terminate a tenancy, and selling the property is not just cause. So unless they agree to voluntarily vacate according to a cash for keys or a buyout agreement, you're stuck with them and you need to find a buyer that will buy it occupied. Just yesterday, we finalized a cash for keys. Anybody wants to guess for how much?
20,000?
More.
120,000?
More.
Oh, man.
More. $575,000.
They won the lottery.
It was a tenant who was holding up a construction project. It was a 16 unit. That was the only tenant that remained in possession. Landlord that purchased the property in 2019, right before COVID. They wanted to LS the property. They couldn't do it because of COVID laws. During COVID, they started to buy out one tenant at a time, and they were stuck with one tenant, an older lady with an attorney who took advantage, and that was the price.
The result.
Yeah.
Wow.